Let me show you how to transfer your current domain from one registrar or host to another. On the left, I have my SiteGround dashboard with all my current domains listed. The ones showing Renew or 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦 are the domains currently hosted on SiteGround. The ones that show transfer underneath are third-party or external domains. That's SiteGround's way of inviting me to transfer those domains to them. However, their prices are quite high, around $17.99 and up. And they charge up to $24 per year for privacy protection. That is why, after doing some research, I decided to move most of my domains to Dynadot. Not only because their renewals are cheaper, but also because privacy protection is already included with most of their domains. If any of your domains have expired, don't panic. You usually have 30 to 60-day grace period after expiration when you can still renew it. After that period, the domain is released back to the public and becomes available for anyone to register. Each registrar has its own process for transferring domains, so it's a good idea to check the frequently asked questions or help section on your registrar's website for the exact steps. The first step is to unlock the domain so it can be transferred. By default, registrars keep domains locked as a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers. Unlocking the domain makes it eligible to move to another registrar. I will go to Settings, select the Lock option, and then choose to unlock. Tip: if you're planning to transfer your domain, avoid renewing it with the current registrar. Renewing it may force you to wait up to 60 days before you can transfer it to a new registrar. The next step is to request the EPP code, also known as the authorization code, which is required to transfer your domain. Go to Settings and select Get EPP code. Make sure you have access to the email address associated with your registrar account, so you can receive the code. Then press Send Code. Check your email, find the message from your registrar, and copy the EPP code they provided. Now we're ready to start the transfer process. Go to the new registrar, in my case Registrar B, which is Dynadot, and find the option for domain transfer. Enter the domain name you want to transfer and paste the EPP code you copied from your email. Then click Transfer. On Dynadot, this step automatically moved my transfer request to the cart, ready for payment. Notice the price, it's $10.88. Plus, the domain privacy is included for free, which normally costs around $24 per year on SiteGround. Soon after, I received an email from Dynadot confirming that they are processing my order. One important note: the domain expiration date is extended by 1 year from its current expiration, not from the date you make the transfer. For example, if I initiated the transfer at the end of September and my domain was set to expire at the end of October, the new expiration will be October of next year. The same applies even if your domain has expired. If your domain expired in July and you renew it in September, the new expiration date will be July of next year, not September. Even though it feels like the transfer is done, make sure you keep an eye on the process. When I check my new registrar's site, I can see that the transfer is still in progress. I also noticed an email from SiteGround, my original registrar, confirming that the transfer has been initiated. That email includes a confirmation link, which if I click on it, I can approve and speed up the transfer process. If I don't take this action, the transfer will still go through automatically, but it may take 5 to 7 days to complete. After a few days, you will receive another email confirming that the transfer has been successfully completed. After the transfer is complete, you may need to update or map your name servers depending on your registrar. Go to your web hosting provider, which in my case is SiteGround, and find the name servers for your website. I will go to my other domain, then Settings and Name Servers to find the names. Then go to the domain that you have in your new registrar. Find the DNS settings and the name servers area. Then paste the name servers there and save the settings. After saving the changes, I check my domain and it's working perfectly. Thanks so much for watching.